If you get this login error in Test Drive Unlimited Solar Crown, now listen to this very carefully. Test Drive Unlimited Solar Crown login error. In most cases, you will encounter a login error on your device when the game servers are down or when there is server maintenance. Wait for a few hours up to maximum of 24 hours and try login again. If you go to their X or Twitter page, they normally announce if there is maintenance or when their servers are down. As you can see, for example, tomorrow, which is January 29, maintenance will start at this time. As you can see, they normally announce if there is server maintenance. And when there is server maintenance, you'll be constantly getting these login errors a lot. For example, as you can see here, Test Drive Unlimited Solar Crown servers are back online. Please restart the game to log in back into your session. We apologize for inconvenience and they appreciate your patience. So they normally get a lot of downsides in their servers. And when their servers are down or there is maintenance, you'll be getting this login error a lot. So what you need to do, just wait for a few hours up to maximum of 24 hours and try login again. If it fails, you can also try to restart your device while you are waiting, and this can also help you resolve these minor issues such as login error. So the main issue here and the main cause is that the servers are down or there is a server maintenance. Just pass through their Twitter page or X and they normally announce if their servers will be down. So thank you so much for watching and see you next time.